Did you know Americans use 7 different sounds for the letter A? In today's lesson, I'm going to help you out with these 7 sounds for the letter A. Read this phrase aloud. How many different sounds do you hear for the letter A? Did you say 1? Did you say 2? What about 3? Correct. The A sound in have is pronounced ah. It's a short sound. Americans use the short A sound for words like, repeat after me, have, math, after, trap, rap, tap. Hear the short A sound in this sentence? I tap my foot in class. The A sound in day is pronounced A. Repeat after me. Stay. Say. Take. Plate. Break. Skate. Make. Paint. Does this sentence have a long or short A sound? Grab a plate. It's time for cake. Did you say long A and short A? Correct. Grab a plate, it's time for cake. Now, let's go back to our original sentence. Have a good day. That sounded much better. But what about that third A? You said there were 3 A's. Yes. My bad. There's still this, This A has a neutral sound. Sometimes you hear it when you talk about a single object. She reads, a map. It is a cat. She plays a game. She takes a selfie. The sound is neutral. It's not long and it's not short. The phoneme is called the schwa. It's written like an upside down E. What's a phoneme? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a single unique sound in speech, like a, That's why an A isn't just an A. So now, how many sounds do you hear for the letter A? Have a good day. Have a good day. 3. Pat yourself on the back. Good boy. Good girl. Before you run into the world shouting, "Have a good day! I know my A's!" we still have 4 more. But why?
Relax, it'll be quick.
So far, you learned these sounds. Listen carefully and repeat. A. Ah. Let's read. Alligators are always afraid of angry cats. Let's eliminate the sounds we already know. Alligators are always afraid of angry cats. Are always. The phoneme ah is used in words like, repeat after me, car, far, father, art, arm, mark. It's a broad-sounding A. Listen to the difference between the A in have and the A in arch. Have, arch. Is this hard? Sometimes R sounds like R. Sometimes R sounds like This happens when R is in the middle of a sentence. Well, are you coming? We are not sure. So, what about always? The A in always is used in words like, repeat after me, talk, walk, all, dark, art, park. Are you afraid of the dark? Afraid? Me? No, are you? Got it? Any questions? What A sound is any? Oh man, that's a good question. The phoneme is written like this. Americans use this short A sound for words like, repeat after me, many, ready, again, dead, anyone, steady, against, bread. Anyone want to go again? Just one more to go. Then you can put your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Let's read these words together. Air, care, hair. This long-sounding A is an open A. It's the last piece to understanding the American A sound. Hear the difference between the long A and open A? Pay, day, chair, hair. Listening challenge ahead. Listen carefully and repeat. Ah, aw, a, eh, ah, eh. Great job! Have an awesome day! If you're still not sure about your A's, write the word in the comments and I'll help you out.